Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you super quick and easy Mexican rice. So let's get started. So here I've got soaked rajma, that is kidney beans. So I had soaked half cup kidney beans in enough water and soaked it overnight. If you don't want to add a lot of kidney beans, you can reduce the quantity to 1/4 cup from half cup. So add some water, add salt. Place the lid of your pressure cooker well and pressure cook this for 5 whistles at medium flame. And once it's done, take the kidney beans out. Now let's move to the next step. Here I've got 4 small sized tomatoes, but you can use 2 medium sized if you have bigger ones. Add them to your mixer grinder jar and then add roughly chopped 1 small sized onion. Next, I'm adding approximately 1 tablespoon garlic. You may reduce the quantity, but I like the flavor of garlic, that's why I'm adding 1 tablespoon. Grind this to a fine paste. For the rice, I'm using a long grain rice which is basmati. You can use any good quality long grain rice for this recipe. Wash the rice well with water once or twice. And after washing, discard the water. You don't really need to soak the rice. If you have some time, you can, otherwise that's okay. Just wash it and let's move to the next step. Heat your kadai or a pan and add around 2 tablespoons butter. Don't use oil, butter would add a very nice taste, flavor to your dish. Next, add the washed rice. Keep the flame medium and fry for 4 to 5 minutes. Be gentle while mixing, we just need to mix it and not break the rice. Next, add 1/4 cup carrot, 1/4 cup peas. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes between low to medium flame. Next, add the prepared paste. To get all the paste out of your mixer grinder jar, you can add a little water. Mix well. Next, add 1 small size chopped capsicum, 1/4 cup sweet corn, 3/4 to 1 teaspoon red chili powder. You can add red chili powder as per your taste and then add the cooked rajma or kidney beans, half teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon chili flakes. Give a gentle mix. Now add 1/2 cup water. For 1 cup of rice, I'm not adding 2 cups, I'm adding 1/2 because the onion, tomato paste and other vegetables already have a lot of moisture in them. Then add some salt to taste. And then gently mix. Cover and cook till the rice is done. So keep the flame low. If required, you can keep it slightly above low. And gently mix in between till you see enough water. Later, when the water starts to reduce, do not mix. The amount of water is almost invisible, so now I'm going to switch off the flame, cover and let the rice sit for 5 to 7 minutes. If you have some time, keep it for 10 minutes. And after that, you can gently fluff up the rice. And all the remaining moisture would have gone by this time. I mean, you would see nice and fluffy rice. Serve it right away. You don't need anything else with this rice. You can have this rice just like that. It's already very flavorful and has got a lot of vegetables. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!